Welcome back, everyone. Imagine this. A tiny device on your wrist knows that you didn't sleep well last night. It notices that your heart rate is slightly higher than usual. And before you even realize something is wrong, it alerts you that your body might be under stress. Sounds futuristic? But this is already happening today. Devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers are quietly collecting thousands of data points about our bodies every single day. But the real question is this: how does this tiny device actually understand all this information? The answer lies in two powerful technologies working together: the Internet of Things and data science. Let's start with the Internet of Things, also known as IoT. IoT simply means connecting physical devices to the internet so they can collect and share data. Inside devices like smartwatches are multiple sensors. These sensors measure different signals from your body and your environment. For example, one sensor measures heart rate using light to detect blood flow. Another sensor measures motion to count steps and physical activity. Other sensors monitor sleep patterns, blood oxygen levels, and sometimes even skin temperature. Every second, these sensors capture signals and convert them into digital data. This raw data is then transmitted to your smartphone and also stored on cloud servers through the internet. So the role of IoT is simple. It continuously collects real-world information from sensors and sends that information to digital systems. But collecting data alone does not create value. Thousands of numbers by themselves do not tell a meaningful story. This is where data science plays a crucial role. Data science is the field that analyzes large volumes of data to discover patterns, relationships, and predictions. When your device collects data over days, weeks, or months, it builds a detailed record of your behavior. For example, it records your average heart rate during rest, during exercise, and during sleep. It records how many steps you walk each day. It records how long you spend in deep sleep, light sleep, and awake periods. This data is then processed using algorithms and machine learning models. These algorithms look for patterns inside the data. For example, they might analyze how your heart rate changes during different activities. They might detect how your sleep quality affects your energy levels the next day. They might even detect unusual changes in your normal patterns. To understand this better, think of the process in three main stages. The first stage is data collection. IoT sensors continuously collect raw signals from the real world. These signals include heartbeats, motion, oxygen levels, and sleep activity. The second stage is data processing and storage. The collected data is sent to cloud systems where it is cleaned, organized, and stored in large databases. This step ensures that the information is structured and ready for analysis. The third stage is data analysis. Data science techniques analyze this structured data to find patterns. Machine learning models compare your current data with historical data to understand what is normal for your body. Once the system understands your baseline patterns, it can detect deviations. For example, if your resting heart rate suddenly increases over several days, the system may flag this as unusual. If your sleep quality drops significantly, the system may suggest lifestyle changes. In some cases, advanced systems can even detect irregular heart rhythms or signs of stress. Instead of simply showing raw numbers, the system transforms data into insights. It converts information into recommendations that help people make better decisions about their health and lifestyle. This combination of IoT and data science is already transforming many areas. In healthcare, wearable devices allow doctors to monitor patients remotely. Instead of visiting hospitals frequently, patients can be monitored continuously through connected devices. In sports and fitness, athletes use wearable devices to optimize training and recovery. Coaches analyze performance data to improve endurance, prevent injuries, and design better training plans. Researchers are also exploring how long-term wearable data can help detect early signs of diseases such as heart problems, sleep disorders, and chronic stress. Because these devices collect data continuously, they provide insights that occasional medical tests may miss. And the impact of IoT and data science goes far beyond wearable devices. The same idea is used in smart homes, where sensors control lighting and temperature. It is used in smart cities, where traffic sensors help manage congestion. It is used in agriculture, where soil sensors help farmers monitor crop health. In every case, the principle remains the same. IoT devices collect data from the real world. Data science analyzes that data to discover patterns and guide decisions. So when you look at the device on your wrist, remember this: you are not just wearing a gadget. You are wearing a connected system that collects real-world data through IoT sensors and transforms that data into meaningful insights using data science. This simple combination of sensors, connectivity, and intelligent analysis is quietly shaping the future of technology and the way we understand our world. If you want to understand more concepts like this in a simple way, subscribe to this channel and keep learning with me.